Historical patterns show that the military may soon play a significant role in resolving the ongoing chaos within ZANU-PF. ZANU-PF mashoko anobuda panguva inochinuka kuti everyone is looking forward to the military, kuti maybe they can do something. Panguva ino kunoonekwa kunzi the total state capture, now panguva ino kuri kunoonekwa kunzi zvikananda they are about to reach the finishing line. Panguva inoi zvinonyatso kubuda pachena kuti ndo pachanyatso kuchinjwa the constitution entirely, and pachanyatso kuita a transition of power from the military, from the people, to certain individuals or the certain family. Don't go subscribe or like on the bell icon. Western Skokima Pranga Branyura Chiti. The Mnangagwa Declaration of 1975 and the Operation Restore Legacy in November 2017 are the clear examples of how the military has influenced political outcomes in Zimbabwe, especially during times of internal conflict. Although Mnangagwa has publicly stated that he plans to step down in 2028, there is growing doubt about his commitment to the promise. His desperate loyalists are pushing for the 84-year-old leader to extend his rule until 2030, ignoring the constitutional limit set in place. Doma developments are reporting panguva inoi. Comment section, of your aim or relief on each. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.